Starting over is never easy, especially when it involves significant life changes like a divorce, a career transition, or the need to start from scratch after a challenging moment. But what if you could view this new phase as an opportunity? A chance to reorganize your finances in a way that aligns more closely with your goals and values? This is the moment to ask yourself, what really matters to me? By leaving behind habits that no longer serve your plans, you can create space to build something stronger and more stable. Starting over isn't just about beginning again. It's an opportunity to do things differently. Today, we'll explore 5 simple yet effective consumption adjustments that can transform the way you manage money. No matter how challenging this moment may seem, these practical steps will help you regain control and create a solid financial foundation. Starting over can feel like standing on unstable ground. You feel the pressure to reorganize everything at once. But here's something important. Even small financial adjustments have the power to bring a huge sense of control during times of transition. Imagine this. By reviewing your expenses and making more conscious choices, you start to notice that you're creating room to breathe. Renegotiating contracts, cutting out expenses that no longer make sense, or even changing consumption habits can ease both the financial and emotional weight of starting fresh. For example, a woman going through a divorce might lower her bills by renegotiating TV and internet packages. Or someone transitioning careers could find new ways to save while adapting to their new work routine. These are simple changes, but they can have a powerful impact on your budget and peace of mind. Now let's talk about the 5 most effective adjustments you can make today to make your financial restart lighter and more structured. Each of these steps is simple, but they bring significant results, helping you reorganize your priorities and regain control of your finances. 1. Renegotiate contracts and fixed expenses. Whether it's a phone bill, internet plan, or insurance, you're often paying more than you need to. Contact your service providers and check if there are cheaper plans or promotions available. Renegotiating can significantly reduce your monthly bills, freeing up money for more urgent needs. 2. Avoid impulse purchases. Life changes often come with a desire for comfort or novelty, which can lead to impulsive spending. Before buying something, ask yourself, will this really improve my situation, or am I just trying to fill a temporary void? Setting a weekly budget for extra purchases can help keep things under control. 3. Cut down on expensive entertainment. Dining out, multiple streaming subscriptions, or attending costly events can be hard to sustain during a financial reset. Replace these activities with more affordable options, like movie nights at home, home-cooked meals, or gatherings with friends in public spaces like parks. 4. Sell what you no longer need. Starting over often means letting go of the old to embrace the new. Why not assess what you no longer use, furniture, clothes, or electronics, and sell these items? Online platforms are great for turning forgotten belongings into extra cash that can be reinvested into your priorities. 5. Reorganize your financial priorities. Make a list of what's essential for your current situation. It might be paying off debt, starting an emergency fund, or saving for a course or new professional opportunity. Direct your resources toward these priorities and avoid spending on things that don't contribute to your financial restart. After implementing conscious adjustments to your spending, it's time to give real purpose to the money you've saved. Strategically directing these resources can help you create short-term stability while building a plan for your long-term dreams. Here are some practical ways to do this. 1. Build an emergency fund. This is your first line of defense against unexpected events. Use part of your savings to create a fund specifically for emergencies, like medical bills or unexpected repairs. It doesn't have to be a large amount right away. Starting with $500 or $1,000 can already bring a sense of security and help you avoid relying on credit in unexpected situations. 2. Pay off priority debts. If you have outstanding debts, use your savings to pay off those with the highest interest rates first, like credit cards. This not only reduces your monthly financial burden, but also frees up more money for other priorities. 3. Invest in new opportunities. Whether you're transitioning careers or looking for ways to increase your income, consider using part of your savings to invest in upskilling courses, workshops, or even starting a small business. These choices can open doors and bring future returns. 4. Save for short and medium-term goals. Whether it's for a small project, a trip, or buying something essential like a used car, directing your savings toward specific goals keeps you motivated. Create a plan to save consistently and achieve these objectives. 5. Start planning for the future. Even during a financial reset, it's important to think long-term. Consider investing a portion of your savings into a retirement account or other low-risk options. These investments, even small at first, can grow over time and provide peace of mind later. Starting over can be challenging, but it's also a unique opportunity to redefine your financial life and align your choices with what truly matters. True transformation comes from consistency and commitment to your goals. Think of this as a chance to rewrite your story, a story where you're in control, creating the future you want. What will you do with the changes you started today? Maybe it's building an emergency fund, investing in a new skill, or simply feeling more at ease at the end of the month. The important thing to remember is that every step counts, and you are not alone on this journey. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.